Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll show you how you can make essence at home. Before I show you how to prepare essence at home, let me give you a quick description about essence. Essence is one of the most important part of a Korean skincare routine, and it is more lightweight and less concentrated than serums, and it is used after a toner to add another layer of hydration before you apply serums. So it falls somewhere between a toner and a serum. So let's find out how you can prepare essence. So the first ingredient that you need is green tea. So you need around half cup of green tea. So take green tea pack and steep it in the mug of water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the tea bag and let it cool down to room temperature. So the one that I'm using also has tulsi in it. It's great for those with oily, acne prone and combination skin. It helps fights wrinkles, sagging skin, sun damage, uneven skin tone and fine lines. The next thing that I'm going to add is rose water. So I'm going to add around 3 tablespoons of rose water. Rose water helps maintain the skin's pH balance and also controls excess oil. And it also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of itching or irritated skin. So the next most important ingredient that I'm going to add is glycerin. So you need 1 teaspoon of glycerin. It acts as an emollient. It keeps your skin soft, moist and supple. The next most important thing that I'm going to add is jojoba oil. So you need around 8 to 10 drops of jojoba oil. Penetrates the deep layers of your skin. It helps retain moisture in the skin, thereby keeping the skin hydrated, healthy and looking fresh. And the final ingredient that I'm going to add is lavender essential oil. You can also use lemon essential oil, orange or rose essential oil. So just add 2 drops of lavender essential oil. So transfer into a clean bottle. So before using, shake really well. So after cleansing and toning, just pat it all over your face. So layer this watery essence to your skin. Then follow it up with a favorite serum and moisturizer. By using this essence, you get numerous benefits. It fights fine lines, uneven skin tone, brown spots. It hydrates and brightens skin. So this was all about essence. So give it a try and I'm 100% sure that your skin will gonna love this product. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more such amazing beauty tips and updates, subscribe to my channel. Take care and